Hello, I'm Dwight Norris of fishingatwork.com, and I'm here fishing with my son over here in Amsterdam. I don't know how you can tell, but we're doing some fishing along the one of the canals here, and we can catch Zander and pike and what else is here? Drawing a blank. We're not going for carp, but there's also Zander, pike. What's the third one I'm trying to get? Get the other one. Oh, perch. That's it. It looks like a yellow perch, just like we have here in the Charles River in Massachusetts. But we're having a rough time. It's only been a couple of minutes, and it's been raining like crazy here. If you look closer at these license plates, you'll see that's not the USA. So I'm on my vacation, and we're gonna try out. I'm not gonna be taking a video of everything. I'm not gonna have that much time because there's a lot of touring. I spent the last 2 weeks in France. Thought I was gonna go fishing, as you saw in those little short edits I did, but that didn't actually happen. And I have 2 days back just before I go home, and I'm gonna try to hit up some fishing, maybe in the pond or something. I don't know, might take a Uber somewhere just to say I did it. But there's some new things coming up on fishingatwork.com. If you aren't signed up for the email list, please do that, because there's a huge announcement and it involves fishing gear for you. So if you're interested in that, sign up. Until then, get fishing. Bennett's got one. That's perch. Pull it up. Pull it up. I'm all over the place here. Onto the ground. Onto the ground. Yes. Giant perch. Nice one.
Whoa, that's a big fish.
It's yours.
Let's see.
This is Dwight Norris of fishingatwork.com, and I got myself a pike here at the Amsterdam Canal. What? Now I have to find a way to get it off. So check me out. Biking along the Amstel River. You might know the Amstel River because of Amstel Gold